In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Zillow listing down. 2026 full guide. Taking a listing down is a normal part of the selling journey. Maybe you're pausing for renovations, adjusting your marketing, or waiting for a better market window. While Zillow won't remove a home's address from public records, you can quickly switch the listing to off market so it stops appearing in active search results. Start by going to Zillow.com and signing in to the same account you used to create the listing. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose My Home. On the dashboard, select your property tile to enter Owner View. This is where all your administrative tools live. If you don't see the property, double check you're in the correct account and that the home is claimed under it. Inside Owner View, locate the More dropdown near the listing details. Click that, then choose Cancel Listing. Zillow will ask for a reason. Select No Longer for Sale to place the home off market. If the home actually sold, select Sold instead and enter the final price and the closing date so the public record history is accurate. Next, confirm your change by clicking Update Status. This button is usually blue and appears at the bottom or along the side of the panel. Your owner view will reflect the change immediately. However, keep in mind that search pages, Google results, and other users' saved homes can take 24 to 48 hours to catch up as cached data refreshes across different systems. A few important 2026 notes. If you're an agent, make sure to cancel the listing in your MLS first. If the MLS still shows the home as active, it can automatically re-syndicate back to Zillow within a few hours and undo your change. When you cancel on Zillow, the update also flows to Trulia and HotPads because they share the same database. And if you plan to relist later, your photos and details are usually saved in your dashboard for a faster republish. If the listing still appears as active after 48 hours, check whether a second account may have claimed the property or whether a brokerage or MLS feed is overriding your manual change. For ongoing issues, scroll to the bottom of Zillow's site, open the Help Center, and submit a request to the Zillow data team with the property link and a brief description of what you're seeing. That's it. By updating the status to off market, you stay in control of when and how your home appears online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.